Yeah, was good. So here's Jessica Priscilas. Dapat ano to eh. Jessica Villarubin. Bakit ba ano to? Priscilas. Na ako, wala na. Yung utak ko kay Hana na char. Villarubin. Okay. Jessica Villarubin. Ayan, naayos ko na. Anyway, kakatapos ko lang mag-react kay Hana. And before Hana, nag-react ako kay Marian. Those two were amazing. Mind-blowing performances. One of a kind. And again, I'm expecting a lot from Jessica. So this is where do I begin? And this video came from Sir Neffy again. So I hope you don't mind again me using again your video for this one kasi naggamit ako sa video niya kay Marian because as suggested by a lot of you guys, no, mga queendom or queenies, you suggested na gamitin ko or mag-react ako sa video uploads ni Sir Neffy because it has a good or at least better quality compared to other uploaders. So I hope you don't mind, and please do subscribe kay Sir Neffy Axe or Neffy Axe. So yeah, let's begin. So this is Jessica Villarubin.
To tell the story of how great a love can be. A sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love he brings to me. I start. With his first hello, he gave new meaning to this lonely world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. He came into my life and made the living fun. He feels my heart. He feels my heart. With every special thing, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. He feels my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'll never be lonely with him around. Who could be lonely? I reach for his hands. It's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but there's much I can't say. I know I need him till the stars will burn away. And he'll be
Okay. Before natin tapusin, let me just say something. Jessica right now is very impressive kasi I said this already a few times in the past na minsan nga si Jessica is nauunahan ng gigil, okay? Because she's that kind of singer. Talagang aggressive yung atake niya, no? Regardless if it's a parang slow paced or upbeat na song, ganun talaga siya no? May giggle talaga sa kanya. Kahit yung mga kahit nuances ng boses niya, alam mo, may gigil eh. No? But, this is very impressive actually. Kasi, if nakita niyo yung mga reaction ko sa Queendom, kay mga opinion ko kay Jessica Villarubin, 'di ba? I always say na kailangan niyang mag-improve sa control, no? And I can see a very big improvement sa kanyang delivery, no? Lalo na sa low notes, 'di ba? I mentioned that in the past na medyo nga si Jessica nahihirapan minsan sa low notes kasi nga siguro yung strength niya talaga is yung mga high notes, no? Which is very explosive siya doon, no? So easy lang sa kanya yung high notes. But right now, grabe siguro yung preparation nila kasi Marian, Hannah, and Jessica so far, grabe. The storytelling talaga, it's very important, no? It's very important kasi dyan tayo magbabase if mafe-feel natin yung kanta, no? If mafe-feel natin or maintindihan natin yung message ng kanta. So, grabe. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Basic. What? Grabe yung stretch. Grabe. Grabe yung stamina ni Jessica, man. Sobrang nakakapagod yung ginagawa niya. Taas pa. Taas pa. Isa pa, isa pa. Grabe sustain. Why does she look like Miss Katrina Velarde sa last note? Anyway, grabe. Ako yung napagod sa kanya eh, no? Ako yung napagod sa kanya kasi at the last portion na ng kanta, no, doon sa yung sa climax na grabe yung dwell niya doon. Nag-maintain siya doon. Grabe yung sustain niya doon sa mga notes, no, sa higher notes, no. Grabe. Ako yung napapagod sa kanya, no? Kasi pag wala kang stamina, pag hindi maganda yung condition mo, nako, pipiyo ka dito sa arrangement na to, sa kanta na to. Trust me, kahit gaano pa kataas yung boses mo, pag wala kang stamina, hindi ka kondisyon, men. Nakakapagod. Iniisip ko pa lang, grabe, no? Amazing, Jessica. Amazing. Deserve nga niya mag-champion. Deserve nga niya maging Queendom diva. Grabe. Pinatunayan niya dito na she's not a fluke or she's not yung, you know, pucho-pucho. Kasi nga, alam naman natin, marami din siyang bashers, no? Kesyo, gaya-gaya siya daw ni Mori. Kesyo, gaya-gaya siya ni kung kani-kanino dyan. No? But she's proven dito sa performance na to na she can, no? Hindi naman si Morissette yung nagsabi, Yung mga fans lang naman na, alam mo na kahit hindi naman inaano, 'di ba? Talagang mahilig mag-compare, okay naman mag-compare, no? Basta iwas lang tayo sa pangbabash kasi lahat ng singers na pinakikinggan natin, may kanya-kanya naman talaga silang talent, may kanya-kanya naman talaga silang style, may kanya-kanya din silang uniqueness, hindi lang as a singer but as a performer. So yun. Anyway, Jessica is amazingly not just good, but ang napansin ko talaga dito is the improvement in terms sa storytelling and sa low notes, and always has the stamina. Grabe, amazing. Okay, so next naman natin is si Rita Daniel. Okay, later. So, I hope you guys enjoy that one. So, subscribe kayo, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe, and again, God bless you all. Peace.